All right, folks, here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous black on black 2014 Chevy Impala with 130,000 miles. This is a government vehicle and it belonged to Los Angeles County Sheriff Department. This was a detective unit. Original black from factory. The paint looks very, very nice, very sharp, very shiny. Very minimal amount of scratches. Vehicle does have one door ding. I will try to point that out to you as I go around the vehicle. I hope I can catch it and show it to you. That is correct, only one door ding. This was a former detective vehicle for the Los Angeles County Sheriff Department. Vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and she is in immaculate running condition and shape, folks. All PM services have been done. Safety inspection has been done. And she is road ready. Let me backtrack. Let me stop right here. Vehicle does have a window tint from the department that appears to be a medium shade, not too dark, not too light. You can see right through without a problem. In the inside of the vehicle, you still get a lot of light that goes through that goes inside, but in the exterior looks nice and black. Vehicle doesn't have any holes on it, what's on the body whatsoever. Once again, this was a detective vehicle, was not a patrol vehicle. More than likely she was used Monday to Friday from 9 to 5. Vehicle does have a working backup camera and working rear parking sensors. You can see the sensors right there. Camera is right under there where the license plate will go. Folks, before I forget, I got to tell you that I did have the rear bumper cover repainted due to paint damage or scratches, more than likely at the auction. And I also did have the trunk lid repainted, because the vehicle did have one hole here in the on the trunk lid where a GPS antenna was, or communications antenna was, and whoever took it out of the department, they dinged the trunk around the antenna. I do have pictures to show you. Once again, I like my work to be just right, and I can get pretty particular at times, and with a vehicle like this, I wanted her looking perfect. Once again, trunk lid was repainted. Rear bumper cover was repainted. All right, let's continue. Vehicle does have a nice set of Goodyear Eagles RSAs from the department. I did not have to go out and get tires for this particular unit. Those tires are gonna be the, let me see, 235 50/18 Goodyear Eagles RSA. Very nice looking car, folks. If you are, here's my ding right here. I found it. One door ding on the front passenger side tire, right on the crease, right there. That is about it, folks. One door ding on this beauty. The paint looks great. My detail crew did an amazing job bringing this one back to life from what she was. You should see the pictures, folks. I do have a nice new set of OEM headlamps on this vehicle, headlamp assembly with light bulbs. For the headlights, all the light bulbs are new, and on the actual beam itself, I went ahead, I went with the Sylvania Silver Star light bulbs, which are a little bit brighter at night, a little bit whiter, and yes, you can see better. It looks white instead of yellow. Folks, what you see is what you're gonna get. Folks, I gotta tell you, this car is gorgeous. let's go inside of the vehicle and show you what we got to work with here real quick. This is going to be, again, 2014 Chevy Impala LT trim. Let me clean this up here for you guys. LT trim. The interior is in near perfect condition. There's one little tiny detail. That's why I gave this vehicle a 99% perfection, but I will make it 100 for you. Don't worry about it. On the rear, I do have the leather seats with upholstery combination. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Perfect carpeted floor on this vehicle with matching OEM floor mats. All 4 door panels on the vehicle are in perfect condition. Everything is working, folks. Everything is working. No tears in the carpet whatsoever. This vehicle is in mint condition inside and out. Honk does work. Cruise control does work. Vehicle did come with 4 key fobs, factory key fobs. They all do work, and the vehicle also does have remote start. Okay, the vehicle does have remote start. Folks, on the center console, that you will see that the black lid is missing. This is the way the vehicle came to me. I did order a black lid OEM on eBay, which is en route. As soon as that gets in, I'm gonna put that in there for you. Don't worry, I got you covered. Oh yeah, 4 keys. I usually get 1 key. I'm surprised I got 4 this time around. Let's go ahead and fire her up. Let me clean this up here for you guys. Pressure lights are up. This vehicle is in excellent running condition and shape, folks. She needs no repairs whatsoever, as I already done everything for you. 130,000 miles on this bad boy. That's all I got.
Bring the family, enjoy holiday classics, shop local vendors, and create festive keepsakes together. Celebrate diversity, harmony.
My phone just connected to the car. Super cold air conditioner, folks. It does have the full screen here, touch screen. That goes up. Extra storage there for you. That comes right back down. Cigarette lighter, everything is in place. Everything is complete. LED interior lights, factory. The clock is ticking, so I better hurry up. Vehicle does have a working rear camera. Oh, I did say that already, because I'm right there. There you guys have it. The trunk is up, so you're looking at the trees. All right. Let me go ahead and step it up, because I have about 3 minutes here to show you what we got. This is gonna be the trunk. It's got an extra carpet floor. This came with from the department. Vehicle does have a donut. The net just fell in there, so yeah, that is the net. The vehicle does have the net, trunk net. What you see is what you're gonna get, folks. I will go ahead and put that in place later. I do have the hooks that thing holds onto. Oh, nice. LED license plate lights, bulbs. LED, folks. Very nice. This is the paint. Super nice, folks. Super nice. All right, let's get to the PM services. All right, folks. Starting left to right, I do have a brand new air filter. Cabin filter as well, a new cabin filter. I do have 6 AC Doco Iridium spark plugs that were installed in the vehicle. Full synthetic 520. Oil service with Dexos was done on this one. Transmission service was also done. That took AC, I believe it was AC Doco Dextron 6 for this vehicle right here. Dry belt and tensioner are in good condition, so I didn't have to replace those. The vehicle's super quiet, very smooth, very elegant. There are no finding noises whatsoever. This is going to be the 3.6 VVT engine. I'm sorry, I should have said that earlier. No funny ticks, no funny noises whatsoever, no overheating, super cold air conditioner. All other fluids were topped off. So folks, you are road ready. Brakes, they're about 70% all around from the department, so no brakes were needed. Suspension is nice and tight, as it should. This is gonna be a clean, clear title Chevy Impala, former LA County Sheriff Department vehicle, detective unit. Speakers do work, I'm sorry. Speakers do work. YouTube, I do not own the rights to the song. Here she is, folks. One last final look at this beautiful vehicle here. Folks, if you're in the market for a nice car that's gonna get you from A to Z, this is it. This is a gas saver, very nice looking, very elegant. She will take you up and down wherever you need to go. Going up for sale, folks, on eBay and other social media sites. All right, folks, if you guys have any questions, comments, you are interested in buying this vehicle, do not hesitate to give me a call, text me. This is SoCal Police Cruisers signing off for tonight. You guys have a blessed weekend. Merry Christmas to you and happily, and to you and family, and Happy New Year. God bless and take care. Let's have a better 2025.